To install the Webroot plugin for the cloud or SaaS VSA product, you're going to first come to automationexchange.kaseya.com. From there, search for Webroot, and you'll see that we have the module loaded here. And we'll go ahead and download that particular module. Once we've downloaded it, we'll go back to our VSA, and we'll end up in our system directory under Server Management and License Manager. From there, we're going to go to Third Party, Install, find that plugin that we just downloaded. Make sure it's webroot.vsaz and nothing but Webroot VSAZ. Once we click Next, we're just going to continue to go through the defaults. A couple clicks of Next and a finish, and it will begin to load that module into the VSA. Your browser should automatically refresh once it's complete, and we will see the Webroot module loaded. Our last step is just simply to allow it access. Once we do that, Webroot is ready to be managed through the VSA.